Tired of searching for how to add a clickable link in Salesforce? Create a custom URL field in just 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact clicks from quick settings to save. Follow along in your own org. Start by clicking the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the dropdown, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. Now, in the Setup menu, click on Object Manager to manage your objects. Find and click on the label for the object you want to add the field to. Once inside, click on Fields and Relationships to see existing fields. Then click the New button to start creating a new field. In the Field Type Picker, select URL as the data type. Click Next to proceed to the field details. Enter a descriptive field label, like Website or Custom Link. The field name will auto-populate based on the label, but you can adjust it if needed. Click Next to set field-level security and page layouts. Then click Next again to review your settings. Finally, click Save to create the custom URL field. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.